Okay, 𝚃𝚒, first taste.
I'm Chef Leo Talamo from 𝚃𝚒 Leyte, but now I'm here in Bato Leyte at Stonegrill Restaurant.
Hey guys, so current guys is naka sa Bato Leyte, no, to meet Chef Leo, and today guys is Chef Leo will introduce his sushis, no, fusion sushis from Qatar or Brunei. No, si Chef is from Qatar and Brunei, so he will make a sushi for us. So let's go. Guys, sa karon sa Stonegrill with Chef Leo, and Chef Leo is now making her sushi named Salmon Sushi. Salmon Sushi. So, knife free taste sa Chef Leo. Muna siya. Huh? One bite. Chef, di ko katigor mo differentiate kung sushi, no? Ito kung ma-differentiate kung sa sushi ba, pero ang lasa niya is more like more bomb, yeah. Because of the maybe the sauce, yeah. Dami ang sauce guys. So now guys, kining nga clip, what pa ni siya, behind the scene pa ni siya, kay si Chef busy pa, understandable na po kay may mga customer.
I'm Chef Leo Talamo from 𝚃𝚒 Leyte, but now I'm here in Bato Leyte at Stonegrill Restaurant. Now I'm doing is how to put a cling wrap in a bamboo mat or makiso. Okay, first extend the cling wrap, then second put the makiso on the top of the wrap, and then after that mo siya dire para cover ang first face niya. Then girahonin mo, tapos muhang itaron ang cling wrap para di magusot-gusot. Then roll over para ma-cover tanan ang bamboo mat sa cling wrap. The reason why I'm doing this one, para dili mo stick ang rice dito sa imong bamboo mat, which can cause pangit ang imong roll and also cross contamination, especially now we are in pandemic. We all know that bacteria we cannot see in our bare eyes, but we can minimize of contamination through proper preparation. Okay, so I'm done. But before that, naaman na siya excess hangin sa loob kay na trap man. What you do is get some knife and then after that, para ma-squeeze out ang excess pa ng air, just fold it like this and i-press lang nimo mawa ng ihang excess na air kaya di mo to nindot ang resulta na unay ko, muburot na. So now, okay na siya. Set aside ang cling wrap. Then after that, we will do first the breaded salmon roll. Okay, first thing we do now is breaded salmon roll. The fillings of this is purely salmon with the sauce of hot sauce. Now, after that, we will put some squid flakes on top. Putting the sauce on the top from Beto Leyte sauce. Last one, last sauce, and now this is the breaded salmon roll. Also in your gloves, especially if the gloves made of latex, you should put some mayonnaise on it so that it will not also stick the rice on your gloves. But if you use the vinyl one, the types of gloves, even you will not put the mayonnaise, it's okay. It will not stick. So now we will do is the all-time favorite, which is California.
California sushi.
Yes, California roll.
California. Okay, California.
Maki and roll is same.
Maki.
Yes, maki. First, especially when you put the rice, you should put in the center of the nori or the seaweed. Then see, it will stick on your hands, especially in the glove of the rice because of the sticky liquid combination of water, salt, and sugar. Then spread out the rice without pressing too much because it will damage the grain of the sushi rice. Ano siya? We call it tubiko or nayuban, tawag ibiko, but this one is a fish roll. Bihod sa isda. Now first put the chopstick, 𝚃𝚒𝚑 in Japanese term, and then after that put some cucumber and mango. Then start to roll the like this. There are some, they're using a techniques of 3 movement, but for me, I can use 1 movement and also 2 movements. You see? It's more appealing than the rolling one or the round one. And this, most especially as a sushi chef, you have the knife skills, especially in cutting the maki or the roll. Because if you don't have the knife skills, it will ruin your maki or roll. There's no force in applying it while doing the cutting. Just let the knife edge cut the roll.
So why are you putting some water, chef?
So that will not stick the rice from the knife because it will damage it. Di ba pag mo dikit ang kutsilyo, mabingkal siya. So, to prevent it, put some water and we call it shiso. Combination of vinegar and little bit of water. This is the signature of 𝚃𝚒𝚗 Sushi Bar at Stonegrill Restaurant located at Verde, Talamo, Bato Leyte. So here's the all-time favorite California maki. Third kinds of maki that I will do is shrimp tempura roll. Same also the same procedure. Put the rice in the middle and spread out without using extra force in freezing because can damage the sushi rice or the grain of the sushi rice. Put some white and black sesame seeds and cucumber. Mango and cucumber are always found in the maki, especially here in the Philippines because avocado is very seasonal. Then again, roll the nori. If you notice in the first one, I just make it in one movement, but now I make it two. Then the second one, roll, then press, to make it square. See? Madali lang siya para sa mga nakamao. Pero if you are just a beginner, you cannot make it easily. Then cut. Now here's your shrimp tempura roll. Here's the fourth one, sa 𝚃𝚒𝚗 or photo roll. Some people ask why they call it 𝚃𝚒𝚗 or roll. Because this one, if you notice, that is more bigger than the normal makis. This was designed for sumo wrestler. Then now, the crab stick, and of course, the shrimp stick. Then mango. Okay, time to roll. I combine the Western cuisine style and also the Asian. Here's your 𝚃𝚒𝚗 sushi. For the fifth one, we will do actually there's a lot of style of greasy roll. It's depend on the chef. Now crab stick, almost same with the California, but the difference is there is a apple on it. May apple siya. Ito yung isang nagbibigay ng sarap. And put some crab stick or kani with one mayonnaise. Put on the top. on the roll. Not all. Here's your crazy roll. Here's the last one, but not the least, kani roll. Same procedures. Ito, ang contrast niya kay nindot siya pagkahapnig sa kani. Unlike the crazy roll, there's no direction of the kani. Almost same lang ang iyahang ingredients.
So we have the crab.
The crab stick, mango, cucumber, kani or the crab stick, and freeze it. Mga siya extra water. Dahil frozen mo siya. Simple lang siya. Karon, iputin mo sa babaw. May pagkahapnig. Compare sa crazy roll. If you are a beginner, what you do or what you will do, you put some wrap, cling wrap, para pag slice nimo di siya mga tanggal pag beginner ka. But if you are already in this kind of field for how many years, no need to use for putting the cling wrap. The last one is 𝚃𝚒𝚏 roll or kani roll.
So guys, natadagi with Chef Leo and iyang introduce na to kung sa iyahang nahimo. So Chef, you do the honor.
Yes, thank you. And first one, this is crazy roll. Second one, the all-time favorite, California roll. And this one, the shrimp tempura roll. Then this one, the breaded salmon roll, kani roll. And last one is photo roll or 𝚃𝚒𝚏.
So guys, dili makompleto ang atong pagkaon ng sushi kung walay
Chopstick.
chopstick. So Chef,
Yes.
usaw ni siya.
Actually, usually ang chopstick na nasa plastic. Ang uban maglisod og open. But the easiest way is just push it ano lang. Then after pag-remove, split it. Then kung mag-split, ayaw dayon gamita.
Yun.
Sunod mo buhaton, pagka-split na, ayaw dayon gamita. Iyan na siya and then roll siya. May ano, ang yang excess particle sa kawayan matanggal.
Okay.
That's the purpose.
Ang abog guys ba? Ang
Abog, ang abog.
So guys, ang kini nga mga sushi guys, mga taog na sa Cebu or Manila or mga luxurious nga mga hotel, but to tell you guys, naata karon sa Leyte, no? Bato Leyte. And only in Bato makatilaw mo ani nga mga so authentic man ni or na special.
Actually, the specialty.
Specialty ni Chef Leo na sushi. And pwede ako guys, patilaw ko ganyan ni Chef ug usa ka buok. Wala pa ko tilaw og daghan. Ana murag nako lami na kay kaon. Mga gutom guys. So gi-invite na muna ko tanan guys no sa nagtanaw ani. Instead of going to Cebu or other places guys para makatilaw mo sushi, visit Stonegrill here in Bato Leyte, no? Nagasulod ang ilahang mga baligya. Naga si Chef sa sulod, no? Nasa sa station sa bar. And affordable na ba ni Chef?
It's very affordable actually.
Very affordable na guys.
The reason why, maybe some people, especially who is a sushi lover, if you notice the prices of my sushi, it's very affordable. The price ranging from 120 to 155.
Guys, very affordable lang, 120 to 155. So if you convert that into dollar, maybe $3 ba? Or $4, no?
3 something like
$3.
Kay 50 man. So ang 155 mahulog siya og $3.
$3. test the sushi of Chef Leo. So first is this one. Ito yung try siya kung katago mo gumagamit.
Oh, katigo ka.
Okay, ha? Ano? Okay. So tatawagan niya.
Photo
maki.
roll.
Okay. Yun. Guys, katago na kumukuha.
Chopstick.
Chopstick. Okay. Okay. Photo maki. First taste. Chef, how about this one?
Wasabi.
Wasabi. Kailangan ba siya gamay o daghan?
Gamay lang.
Gamay lang
Very
din.
halang gina siya. Muabot na si muhang
Hablis mo.
gusto. Yes, that's enough.
Gabi
Halang gina siya.
Halang gina siya.
Yeah.
So guys, ang ako pag-taste sa kang Chef Leo nga sushi, no? It blends everything by the sauce. Grabe. Boom kaayo ang sauce ni Chef Leo, good. Balik ang sauce, chef, is because
Balik-balik lang siya, but when you put in some other ingredients, the blending will become start, you don't know what kind of feelings or taste been in your mouth.
yeah.
Di ba?
Yeah,
Nagkaroon?
lamig good.
Oo.
And one thing guys, akong na-curious guys, is ang sushi ni Chef is naapoy fried.
Yes, fried.
Right. I thought guys, sushi is sushi. How to pronounce it? Sushi. Nasa fried game mo si Chef na sushi. I don't know why na fried siya, Chef. I thought ang sushi is ano siya, raw and rice lang. Raw.
Actually, ganing mga fusion, especially ang approach is fusion niya siya. Dili na siya pure or authentic sushi good. Like if you are talking about the authentic sushi, you cannot find this kaning na yung mga fried items. More on raw lagi na siya. And also we call it nigiri. Yun ang ang tawag sa authentic, and Idomai style ang tawag niyan. What do you mean by Idomai style? In front of Tokyo Bay. Mo na siya.
So guys, I know naglaway na mo sa magkikaon dire, no? I will invite you guys no here at Bato Leyte,
Barangay Tinago, Bato Leyte.
Stonegrill
Restaurant.
Naka siya guys sa highway, no? National Highway lang, makita nyo siya, malabi nyo pa doon maasin. And yan na guys. Ito na. It's your time to come here to Bato and taste the best sushi in Leyte. Why best sushi in Leyte? For me, after how many years guys, nakatilok og sushi din here sa Bato nga very lami. No, what I mean is lami, dili siya same sa uban. I mean, si Chef is na siya own fusion of sushi, which is I like. Okay, in my opinion lang. So, kamo guys, if gusto mo makahibaw or gusto ninyo ma-feel nga kung saan kalami, visit na mo diri So that's it guys for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you to Chef Leo.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
And guys, mga onami, bye-bye.
Wow.